how to peel them super fast. Yep, put the other one in.
I want to shake.
Put them in there.
I'm shaking. It's a pretty easy way.
Yes. Keep going, keep going.
Okay.
Count to like 20.
I'm only like at 10.
And look how easy that just comes right off. It like peels off.
Just for you.
Look at that. Look at that. How stinking cool is that?
Okay.
Yeah, get it? Ta-da! All done.
Thanks for watching.